Greetings, residency program candidates. Let me show you how to view additional information about residency programs and also how you can identify programs already configured within OPRESCAS that are not currently seeking applications. Without further ado, when you sign in by default, it will show you available programs. To view additional details about available programs, simply click on the hyperlink under the residency program column like so, and a small window will pop up and provide additional information about the facility. If you wish to find information about programs that are in the OPRESCAS system but not yet hiring, please click Filters, Identify, Future Programs, and unclick Available Programs. Once you do that, it will refilter the list, and if we click Close, you'll see that the list has changed. In order to view information about these respective residency sites, again, click on the hyperlink under the residency program column to view additional information about that program. Please note that there will be more residency programs added throughout the current hiring cycle. So continue to check back as you'll find more and more future as well as current programs are being added on a weekly basis. I hope this tutorial was helpful. Thank you for your time.